Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to attach the bus bars to the batteries, clean all the contacts, and also attach the BMS to the battery so you have a functional battery. Here we go. Now that we've got all the contacts clean, it's time to tighten them. Don't tighten the contacts too much because something might break, but tighten them enough so they have good contact. Like so. Next we're gonna attach the BMS modules to the battery and then make the electrical connections between them. But first we need to put all the modules together on the top of the batteries and then finish the electrical part. Always be careful with the polarity. This is the plus side, always be careful, because if you do it the other way around it might short out. Oh, and the begin module is always on the minus side of the battery pack. Now that all the modules are on the battery, we need to make the electrical connections between the first begin board through the other in-between boards and at the end board. Now that we finished the electrical side, you can see all the lights going around. That means everything is working, everything is connected. Now it's time to connect to the BMS via Bluetooth. So this is the BMS, I hope you all can see. 27.1 volts. It doesn't have a state of charge yet because it's not calibrated. To calibrate the state of charge, we need to charge the battery up to 3.4 per cell, so everything will be okay. Here we can see the voltages on the different cells. And temperatures. Two of them are at 24, they're not really at 24, it's just the sensors aren't that accurate. And the voltages, they don't actually have a difference, it's just that it's not really that accurate. But it's accurate enough for this project. Here in the settings we can set the inverter peak power, the solar generator peak power, and all the settings. When to allow for discharge, when to allow for recharge. We can even override the relays to allow discharge and charge, but we won't be doing that. I already set in all the parameters, battery capacity and everything, so everything is working. Next we'll have to put the inverter on the battery, put a battery combiner, because you have two batteries that are different ages and different capacities. So in the next video I guess we're gonna do an unboxing on the battery combiner and an unboxing on the inverter, and tying the inverter up to the batteries in my own way as I think is fit to do. And in the future probably we're gonna put some relays, special relays on it to be even smarter than that. So see you guys in the later videos. Bye bye.